give up before you even begin. Kita ninyo unsa kanindot.
Nope.
Tas nakoy nakitaan. Unsa na? It's like something. Ambot na na. Di mga istorya-istorya nga rin nga. Murag na ako ni magpatukod nga rin og eskwelahan. Tas taod-taod na sa doy nga ragi. Taod-taod na na nga kuralan. So kural pa lang to. Karon nindot na karon pa magugukabalik otro nga rin. Pero awa. Diba? So mura na jud siya balay kita. Kaya sa baktas nga rin. Damo jud kani siya sagbot. Makita na niyo sa kong likod. Wa na. Like hawan na, di ba? Di siya hawan pero wa na yung mga dagko. Sa unang film mas dako pa sa tao ang mga siot. And parang amot gunahan. Feeling na ako kay siguro nabaligyan na ning duta or nanay nakapalit. Naanat. Sabi ako, nakumura ko ani kagta nga rin. So December 26 karon 2025, like in a few weeks or in a few days mag New Year na 2026 na, and murag I'm sure nga dili ra ako ang nakabantay nga paspas na kay ang parang murag unsa may gidalian, like murag pagsugod pa gani sa 2025 nya mag 2026 na sad, like what murag tigkatigong na taan. Actually, this is the 5th Christmas and New Year na amo i-celebrate without a father, without a dad. He died last 2021, pero let's just focus on the brighter side and focus on the brighter side. I'm on my 11th year, and then on April or May mahuma na ang March or April mahuma na ang school year, so another school year will begin. Grade 12 na ko, and after that mag-graduate na ko sa high school, and happy ko kay siguro I don't know what God has planned for my life, di ba? So yung giplanuhan para sa akong kinabuhi, pero happy ko, and I'm really hoping for something brighter. Another year will come to pass. Another year will begin. A lot has changed. A lot has happened in our lives, and as I grow old, I've noticed how fast the time flies. How people change. How people changes their circles. I guess it's part of being human. As they say, change is the only constant. I've also witnessed people who is slowly achieving their dreams. I'm happy to see people slowly achieving the dreams they always prayed for. I know for sure we all have different stories to tell. I know we all have that courage to share the story of our lives in the world.
the story of hope, the story of faith. We all have this flame inside our heart, a burning flame, flame of hope, flame of courage, flame of faith. As the year changes, hopefully we would still have this flame in our heart. Hopefully, we would still love to do the things we love to do. Hopefully, we wouldn't be tired of making our dreams a reality. 20-something. Don't ever let anyone who gave up on their dreams convince you to give up on yours. Don't ever let anyone who has never shown up for themselves convince you that it's not worth taking a shot. Don't ever let anyone convince you to give up before you even try. Your path ahead does not have to look like everyone else's. You can give in to what people around you think is best for you to do. Or you can at least make an attempt towards what you want. Even if it doesn't work out, at least you know better. You still have a long way ahead, and there is plenty of room for mistakes. Don't give up before you even begin. We should keep that in our mind. Our life is like a book. It has different stories, different perspective, different values, different morals, different plot, and it's up to us how are we going to write it. It's how we plot it. We all want to finish our book in a very grateful and happy ending, so we may as well do our best in everything that we do. We may as well live it to the fullest. We may as well live it with happiness, love, faith, hope. And we may as well do what our hearts are yearning for. Every book is different, but there is one thing all books have in common.